Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tamia, and that's me. If you're not new here, hi, welcome back. Today's video I will be doing a travel essentials for Disney, and I have my list on my phone. So the number one thing is your cell phone. You always need your cell phone. For me, I have my cell phone just in case you are you're in a group and you need to see where they're at or call them. And I take pictures on my cell phone too. The next essential you need is your camera, because I have the G7X Mark II and I vlogged for a day there, and I had my camera. I vlogged, I took some pictures on my camera, and yeah. So the next thing that I needed but I did not have is a rechargeable battery, and I needed it because my phone was dying, and we were there from 10 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. No, not 10 o'clock to 9:30 p.m. So I needed that because my phone was dying. The fourth thing you need is sunscreen. You need sunscreen. It was really not hot when we were there, but like in July and like the summer, it's really hot. So you need sunscreen. The fifth thing you need are wet wipes, because you're going to be touching a lot of nasty things. You're going to be having to hold, if you're sitting in a chair, like if you're eating food, you're gonna have to touch the chair and stuff like that. So I would advise you to get some wet wipe. Number 6, you will need ID, cash, and or debit card / credit card. I expect some people, they take Apple Pay now, so I would just bring my card just in case into the park so you don't have to go back. But yeah, I had all those things, not cash, but I had like debit card, and yeah, I would just save up for it just in case your debit card's not working. A water bottle, a reusable water bottle. I had one of those. I filled mine with ice and just put some water in it. It was very good at that moment, because I was eating Mickey pretzel and it was pretty salty. So I had a water bottle and it helped me get out the salt. Batteries for your camera. I had 3 batteries, and it was good because only needed the second one before we got to the parade. And yeah, what I would use is some lotion for your hands. If you're ashy, make sure you bring a purse. You definitely need that. Pack everything in there. I had a backpack purse. Also, what I would bring is some hand sanitizer, which I had in my purse. And that's all I believe that y'all need for your essentials that you need for Disney World. And that has been it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe down below. And that's been it. Bye guys. Peace.
The red-nosed reindeer.